Hi, welcome back to our channel. And after the tutorial for DBMS, today I'm going to continue the PLSQL. The previous sessions I explained what is PLSQL and why we need and what is exactly PLSQL server and the architecture of the PLSQL and everything. When you want continuity, please kindly check the playlist. And if you like the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. So today we're going to see only the environment setup. Suppose if you want to work with the PLSQL, here to go for the setup. There will be so many procedures there to run. If you want to run PLSQL, we have the Oracle RDBMS Server installed in your machine, remember. And also, you can go and download this one. Download Oracle 11G Express Edition, it's mandatory one. Then you can download either the 32-bit or the 64-bit. And you can go and check this file called win64 underscore 11G r2 underscore database underscore 2 of 2.zip file. So after downloading the above two files, we can go for unzip it and make it a single directory folder. Under that, you can find the following subdirectory like this. So I'm showing the settings here. Yes, I'm good. So go to use the find options laser also. So here, so setup welcome like that. These are very important. Everything should be here only. Then you can go for the procedure. So step number one, we can launch the Oracle database installer using the setup file and is the screen. So is the screen look like this. So whenever go for installation, you can follow this demonstration and see the continuity. Step number two, what happens means you can get the connection failure, it may happen. You can keep on try again. And step number three, select the first option. So here to select the first option here, select installation option here. First option you can select, that is called create and configure the database. Then we can carry out the next button and go for the next one. Step number four, we are assumed that we are going to install the Oracle for the basic purpose of learning only. So you can go and select the desktop class here. Then we can go the next button. It will be visible automatically. Step number five, the typical installation configuration show like this. See, it's like this. It where in the C colon or C drive or anywhere. Just to modify the Oracle base if you want. You can change the name and edit it and go for the next one. And step number six, you can go and get this perform prerequisite checks here. This is so. It definitely takes some. It take some time. Remember, once you have an internet high level internet speed only, you can install the PLSQL very fast. Otherwise, it take time. Also remember. So here to wait for some time. After the installing everything, you can go for step number 8. So step number 7, here it goes summary, Oracle database 11G. So once you go through this setup, then only you can carry out the exercise, how you can work with PLSQL and so on. Then you can go for next step, you can go for global settings, everything is there. Then you can go and select the finish button. And then step number 8 it look like this. So install product. So it will automatically go for install product, show the 13% to 100. Once 100 reached, you can go for next button and go the next one, install product automatically. Then go for step number 9. Here the Oracle will copy the required configuration files, supported files. It takes some moment and show like this. Configuration instance, just copy and clone database creation in the progress. You should not stop here. After completing, go for the next one and go for the step number 10. Everything in the database file copied, then you can go for the dialog box. See here database information like this show here. Then you can go and go carry for the next step. Step number 11, where you can see the Oracle 11 database G finish button. After this, you can go the close. Then at last you can come to the end. So at last everything over means if you install the properly, you can go verify the installation. So you can what you can do. That case you can go to the command prompt and use the following command: SQL plus double quote slash as sysdba. So once do, you will get the screen like this command prompt. This is the way how to successfully make the PLSQL environment. Next class we will go. Next session we will continue how we can work efficiently with the PLSQL commands. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.